Aqua, you look ugly. Didn't know noise assault police. Don't assault Aqua. Just because I didn't want to insult your girlfriend, you can't stop me. No, and Aqua, you suck. That's so mean. It's Simon. What do you want? Woof, woof. Noise is assaulting Aqua. You have 3 seconds to run. Otherwise, I'll bite your head off. Sorry! I'm sorry! God, he's got. I'm gonna break that promise. Aqua, you so dumb! To bite your head off. I'm just gonna. How dare you do that to my friend? You're gonna pay for this. You look like we care, Pinocchio. Actually, no, that ain't Shrimpo. That's Simpo. And you should get out.